I've been telling you guys for the longest time, and fortunately you are listening. The new Braunfels, Comal County housing market is in flames, guys. Property values this year are expected to be the highest they've ever been. So what does that mean for you? What does that mean for your tax bill when you get it in the mail? You're gonna be paying a lot more in taxes. And is there any way to skirt around these higher property taxes? We're gonna talk about all this today. If you guys are new here to my channel, thank you so much for jumping on, because every week we're putting out relevant content like this about what it's like to live in New Braunfels. What it's like to live in New Braunfels these days, you need Sunblock 100 to protect yourself from getting burnt by the housing market here. For the 5th straight year, Comal County property values jumped double digits, and this year's are expected to be the highest ever. The Comal Appraisal District says values will jump between 30 and 50% this year based on its assessments as of January 1st of 2022 this year. That's the largest single year increase in market and taxable values. I mean, guys, just look at these numbers right here. City of New Braunfels taxable values are expected up about 31% this year. Bulverde taxable values are projected up 46%. Spring Branch by 51%. Get this, Shirts just down the road, values are expected up there by 81%. Selma by 60%, and Wimberley by 62%. So does this mean you're going to be paying 30% more in taxes this year, or even 80% more in taxes this year? We'll get to that in just a second, but first, let's address why this is happening. The easiest explanation I can give you guys is the sheer volume of families moving to Comal County, to the New Braunfels area. The demand on homes, the demand for new homes or resale homes far exceed the supply of homes we have here. And builders cannot build fast enough because of the supply chain issues, and there's just too much work and not enough workers. On top of all that, add to that the number of families coming from out of state, notably California, now hot and heavier, the Austin area. Those two buyer groups are coming to New Braunfels, the New Braunfels area, with cash in hand and often paying over asking price, which sets the new market value. So what does this all mean if you just moved here, lived here a long time, or thinking about moving here now? Does it mean you're gonna be paying 30% more, 50% more, 80% more in taxes? Ouch. The answer is no. Doesn't matter how high the market value goes up in Comal County, the highest your taxable value can go up in your home is 10%. And that's it, if you're homesteaded. That we spare no expense when it comes to our graphics here on this channel. For example, and we're going to use made up, round, easy numbers here just to explain this process to you so you understand. Let's just say that in 2021, the market value on your home was $100,000, and it jumped to $150,000 this year. Now that 150 doesn't mean a thing, and I'll get to that in just a second. So we're taking that $100,000 market value from 2021 and multiplying it. But remember, 10% is the most your taxable value can go up on your house. So that taxable value is now $110,000. Okay, well, that's all fine and dandy, but how much money are you taking out of your pocket to pay for taxes this year? So you're taking your taxable value, we talked about 110,000 there, right, and multiplying it by your effective tax rate in your subdivision in the area you live in Comal County. Let's just say it's 1.79%. So 110 times 1.79% equals your property tax. All right, so let's talk about the 150 that I said just doesn't matter just a couple seconds ago. What I mean by that is, so your market value went from $100,000 in 2021 to $150,000 in 2022. So when you get your assessment in the mail this month, your notice is going to show a $40,000 home cap loss, which means it's simply subtracting the $40,000 from the $150,000 market value to get down to your taxable value at 110, because the highest your taxable value can go up, remember, is 10%. So 10%, guys, that's the magic number here. That's the highest your taxable value can go up on your home in Comal County every year if it's homesteaded. Now, homestead, right? Think of homestead as a tax break on your primary home. It must be your primary home. You must live in it. Just, you know what? Check out the video we did last year on Texas homestead exemptions, guys. This will tell you everything you need to know about homestead exemptions, including which exemptions you qualify for in Comal County and how to apply for your homestead exemptions. Now, what's really neat this year is that you used to have to wait until January 1st, no matter when you closed your home. So if you closed it in February, you'd have to wait all the way till January the next year to apply for your homestead exemption. Now, as soon as you close on your home, you apply for your homestead exemption and it's prorated. Also new this year, you now can vote on increasing the general homestead exemption here in Texas from $25,000 all the way up to $40,000. Here's a sample ballot. You can vote on this increase. Vote on this increase on May 7th. That's another $15,000, guys. So you get your assessment in the mail this month and you look at it and say, man, I only paid this much for my house. I think their assessed value is overvalued. So you want to protest it, right? It happens every year. All you have to do is reach out to a realtor, have that realtor work on sold comparables to your house, and then present it to the county, protest to the county with those sold comparables. Guys, I hope this video helps out. Let me know in the comment section below if you need any more clarification about taxable values or anything else on this video or anything else real estate related in the New Braunfels area. I would love to be your real estate resource of choice. You guys know the drill by now. You can email me, you can call me, or you can shoot me a text. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.